Want to generate cinematic videos with Google Veo 3, like a pro? But you're not getting it, right?
Let me show you a video I made.
Honor is not given. It is earned.
If you're just typing random stuff into Veo 3 and hoping for magic, you're doing it wrong. This is how the pros are making Veo videos that look like Hollywood trailers. Here comes the secret: prompt engineering. Not anyone told you. In this video, I'll show you 7 key elements to writing prompts that actually work, and I'll walk you through a real example so you can copy and tweak it for your own projects. If you want to create a free Google Veo 3 account, watch this video. Here, I show you how to create a Google Veo 3 account from any country for 15-month free. Let's continue today's video. The 7 key elements. Here's what every great Veo 3 prompt needs. 1. Main character. Who is the focus? Is it a soldier, dancer, robot, monk? 2. Character's attire. What are they wearing? Armor, traditional clothes, spacesuit. 3. Environment. Are they in a rainforest, city street, desert, or ancient temple? 4. Camera style. Think cinematic, close-up, drone shot, slow zoom, or first person. 5. Action. What are they doing? Walking, fighting, dancing, praying. 6. Facial expression. Angry, joyful, intense, calm. This adds emotion. 7. Dialogue. Optional, but powerful. What's the character saying? If you write prompts in this format in Veo 3, you will be able to create the best videos. You will be surprised by the output.
I'll link a Google Veo 3 prompt engineering template in the description. You can use this Google Doc file to easily create your own prompts.
Real prompt example. Let's put this together. Here's an example prompt I use. A lone samurai in ancient Japan, wearing weathered armor and a red headband, his attire, stands in a misty bamboo forest, environment, shot in slow-motion close-up, camera style, as he draws his katana, action. Eyes focused with silent determination, expression, whispering, honor is not given, it is earned, dialogue. Notice how every element adds to the visual story.
Now, let's go to Google Veo 3, paste this prompt, and create this video.
Honor is not given. It is earned.
Final tips. Want better results? Keep it under 500 characters. Use clear, vivid descriptions. Run it through Veo and tweak based on the output. That's how you prompt like a pro in Google Veo 3. Try this format, remix it, and let your creativity flow. Don't forget to hit like if this helped and subscribe for more AI video hacks every week. See you in the next one.